During pandemic situation, when the entire world was facing adverse situation, we did not let the student hamper their education and their academic performances. We have adopted different platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, Google Classroom and other technologies so that we can give our best to the students. We have focused on one thing, that the teaching should not be monotonous. It should not be one-sided teaching. It should be participative, interactive, so that student can participate, they can ask their queries, they can ask their questions.
Bachelor's in Business Administration is a professional course and it opens an array of opportunities for the students. Whether one wants to become an entrepreneur or want to start their own venture in partnership with someone, or continue in their family business, or rather just join an MNC, then at this point Trinity Institute of Professional Studies does everything in its capacity to ensure that the right managerial skill set is inculcated in the student.
Trinity Institute of Professional Studies is a right choice for a candidate. The institution has a good infrastructure facilities. All the classes are centralized, air conditioned. Moreover, the faculty is also well experienced. The management is very proactive in its approach. They believe in supporting the students whenever there is a need. They provide financial assistance to various societies and they continuously work for the betterment of the student.
Come
Come
and be a part of TIPS.
and be a part of TIPS.
And be a part of TIPS.